Perfect blue skies, almost no wind, beautiful sunshine. These are indeed conditions for the beautiful game. The backdrop here, picturesque, idyllic. No doubt one of the best days of the footballing calendar, and it has added to a really jovial, happy mood in the stands, helping to raise the level of sound by more than a few decibels. Shirt sleeve order, very much the dress code. Old Trafford rising to the occasion as only Old Trafford can. Some terrific scenes at the Stretford end. Two high-profile, high-caliber teams. This is a welcome event for all these supporters.
Well, under normal circumstances, this is a massive matchup, and I'm not totally in agreement with the view that friendlies tend to take the edge away. In my experience, if the opposition go at it full tilt, then you have to reciprocate. We'd like to see excitement and be entertained. But if it does go down the serious route, there'll still be lots to enjoy.
Got things underway. Jim, which player is best equipped for this game?
Well, a player who's learned fast for me is Luke Shaw, a fullback who likes to involve himself in matters at the offensive end of the pitch, but he covers the ground with speed and a good work ethic, so I think he's coming on really well.
Yeah, I'm inclined to agree. That's a good ball to find him. And it's played forward. He's had a goal! A collective sigh of relief from the defence.
Well, I think the opposition was pretty sloppy in creating a problem for themselves then, but he was onto it so quickly and very nearly made them pay.
Danger averted for now. Renato Sanchez. And a shot! He's scored! Perfect placement, the one place the keeper couldn't reach.
Well, you know, sometimes it pays off not to think too much about things, just put your foot through it, and that was a good example. Great contact, and the keeper had very little chance.
Darlington take the lead, 1-0.
And that ought to be the trigger for a really exciting and entertaining game from here on.
The ball needed to be better there, it's a wasted chance.
Manchester United have pushed.
Wan-Bissaka has been caught there, it's a foul. Well, the referee has made it pretty clear now that this is his last chance.
Yeah, and he has to change his ways, or this referee would soon change his status.
He's got through. Away from immediate danger. Darlington get it back again. Good challenge, he just stood firm. McTominay. Greenwood. Got a shot away! And for a moment, time stood still.
Well, it was just some wayward passing that let the opposition in there, and I have to say, a very lucky escape. You lose it there, you expect to be punished.
It's got through. Wan-Bissaka with a fine tackle. Tries to get it forward quickly. Bruno Fernandes. Rashford. Dinks one in. Nice little flick. And that is going to be the final action of the first half. And there we are, off they go for half-time. The breakthrough did indeed come in the first half, but there has only been that one goal. It was very, very tight.
Well, you obviously have to give credit to the front men for the half-time lead, but I think the midfield can really pat themselves on the back too. They worked tirelessly for me.
Darlington leading a cagey game here. It's had its moments, and it's 1-0 at the break. So we're already into the second period. A solitary goal, that has been the crucial... He ran himself into trouble there, free kick given away. Just brushed off the ball there. Right through the middle. Face to face, has a pop! Vida gets it back. Wan-Bissaka. Pogba. Breaks on here. And the shot! He has done it! And this is getting better and better. The movement so precise, the finish sumptuous.
Just when they thought they may be in at one end, they end up shipping a goal at the other, and it's all due to wonderful counter-attacking. They hardly had time to even react. There's only one word to describe that: clinical.
He's made it two, and no doubt he's hungry for more. Darlington take a 2-goal lead, and things should be comfortable from here on in.
The turning of the screw comes to mind, Peter. They've got them where they want them.
Samu Castillejo provides an outlet. Well played, he saw that coming. Maguire can hoist it clear. Manchester United are able now to make their substitution. It's been on the cards for a few moments now. This could spin. He's gone for it! They are rampant! And the lead is extended still further. He snaffles his third, and that earns him the match ball.
Oh, he's been unstoppable in this match. Every single time he's been in possession, he's looked a threat.
Darlington making another change here.
Yeah, I just think that's really good management, introducing one of his younger players when the pressure's totally off, just allowing him some valuable, easy on-field experience time.
Darlington take a 3-goal lead, and they are romping out of sight.
No doubt as to who has the momentum here now. The only doubt is how many is coming.
No, he's missed it.
Manchester United are really feeling the strain now. Impatience has taken charge.
And they're not going to make any further progress now. Pogba is fouled. hits one! Really well taken goal. Over the hills and far away. No catching them now. Really outwitted one-on-one. Once more, he gets the better of the keeper.
Yeah, that's brilliant from him. Such a calm finish. Just pick your spot, don't think about what the keeper's going to do, concentrate on what you have to do.
4 in the game, he is the man. It's become a case of men against boys. Fred, to the keeper and try something new. Maguire positions himself well and cuts it out. Finds himself eased off the ball, and he has been fouled there. He's through, now is he in? He hits one! Oh, that is special! That is a gem! An absolute gem! Well, surely that completes the demolition, if it hadn't occurred already.
Well, I wasn't expecting them to go this big, Peter, but they have been superb.
Darlington totally rampant here.
Well, they're very much the better team at the moment, Peter, and no doubt will be looking to cause even more damage here.
Great strength, too strong for his opponent. Hoists it forward. Clears it out of harm's way. And the referee brings it to a close. Darlington, comfortable winners. A virtuoso display, utterly one-sided. What are your thoughts on today's game then, Jim?
Darlington have